It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and I just got home from work and I have to clean the laneway. We got a really good dump of snow and it was really heavy. You know, it actually started to look like spring, and all of a sudden we got some really heavy snow. It was around freezing and it just kept coming all day long. This snow is not the best for the type of snowblower I got, but we're gonna give it a try. But my main issue is the tractor is not running. Last weekend, I was using the tractor and then all of a sudden it wouldn't start. I do know there's no power getting to the ignition switch, but I really would like to be able to fix it properly. So we're gonna take a quick look at it and see if we can get it running. And on top of that, I gotta throw the blower back on it because I took it off to move around the cubes. So let's see if we can get it running. On a Massey Harris 50, you get power for your dash. So this is your positive cable, and this is your power wire that goes to your amp meter. We're gonna see if we got power on that wire. Okay, so I got power here, and I have power now at the switch, so let's just see if it starts. I don't know if it was a bad connection here or on the cable or what, but let's see if it starts. Okay, so that is definitely cold enough out there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run a power right from my battery, run it to my headlights, and then it should backfeed the rest of the system and hopefully it'll start. So let's see if we can do that. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I need to get more organized. I need to fix this tractor properly. If anyone remembers the day that I was working on the maple sugar shack, the tractor stopped running, and I got it running. I just jumped a wire. I just kind of jerry-rigged it to get it in, and I never did get around to fixing it properly, and now when I really do need it, it's not running. So we are gonna try to put that on here. That did work last time, so hopefully, let's see if it starts up. I didn't open the fuel. After I was working on the sugar shack, I should have put the blower back on it, because this really isn't the nicest time to be doing it. Oh, she's cold. Oh, she's all hooked up. You probably wonder why I don't wear gloves. I do wear gloves at certain times, but half the time I find it's too hard to hold little things or work on stuff. I'm a mechanic and I work outside a lot, and you kind of get used to it, but you still got to be careful you don't end up getting frostbite. The blower's hooked up and we're gonna go start blowing some snow. Oh, I broke the bolt on the shaft again. I think I'm gonna get the four-wheeler and just try to finish this thing up. Oh my goodness. You know what? That is kind of the problem with running old stuff. I mean, new stuff breaks too, but it's just kind of crazy. I'll get the four-wheeler. Okay, so that is about enough. You know, that was a pretty heavy dump of snow for sure. It was really wet, so it kind of compressed, but there was a lot of snow there. My tractor didn't make it through this one. I blew the bolts on the PTO shaft, so I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna pull out the four-wheeler and just finish it up because I gotta get this done. So that is handy to have multiple things to clean your laneway, especially if you live in an area that you get lots of snow, because you just never know what could happen. So that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.